makikita niyo yung runway. There's a runway. At ayan yung welcome to Japan! Parang hindi naman. Ito na yung struggle namin. Ito yung pababa. Paano kami bababa? Ang dami namin bitbit. Good afternoon, good morning mga kabadgetarian. So, ayan, andito ulit ako sa NAIA Terminal 3, now going to Japan. So, ayan, medyo yung flight namin ngayon is mid-afternoon, so it's at 2 o'clock. Ay, thank you po. Ayan, pocket money. Courtesy of our godmother. Ayan. Si Inay, ang aming mga yen, panggaso sa Japan. So, yan. As I was saying, so, mid-afternoon yung flight namin ngayon. So, medyo first time, kasi usually yung labas namin is madaling araw. But today, it's a mid-afternoon flight. So, let's see. After check-in, we'll go to the immigration and then lounge muna kami. Kasi time check, it's still 10 o'clock. So, 4 hours before the flight, we make sure na 4 hours before the flight, nandito kami. Just to give time for anything, any unnecessary things para at least maayos. And then, yun, lounge before the flight. Yeah. So, andito na kami ngayon sa Pags Lounge. And makikita niyo yung runway. There's a runway. At ayan yung lounge. Ano ba? First time ko dito kasi usually marahaba lounge ako. But then, good thing, open ngayon itong Pags Lounge. So, stay kami dito. Time check. It's 10:55. So, flight namin is at 2 and our boarding is, wait, what time ba boarding namin? Tingnan natin. 1:15 yung boarding. So, we have 11, 12, 1. So, 2 hours to rest, eat, and sleep for the meantime while we wait for our boarding. So, yun. And, enjoy. Rest muna kami bago kami dumating ng Japan at papasabak sa mahabang lakaran at shopping. See you guys. Bye. Yan. Kakainin ko. So, we have osomai, marinara, and then orange juice, and then that one is spinach cream cheese bread, and then of course Coke. Kain muna tayo. So this is basically ayan, yung departure TV, and then this is the handle, and there's cereals, kasi ito may bread. You can choose if you like that, or you wanted some white breads, and then there's butter, margaritas, and toaster, peanuts. Nuts is nila, and this is pineapple sauce. So, it's really nice. And wala yung iba. And they have cream of mushroom dito. Yun. And then they have pasta marinara here. This one's really nice. And just put some parmesan on top. Then meron yung beef tapa. This one is siomai. Japanese siomai, pork siomai. This one is bun. Yan, pork bun. Chicken, bola-bola. Mantou bun. And then they have ice cream also here. Oh. They have big scoop. Kaya lang right now, vanilla and chocolate chip. Yung available flavor. And they have the country station. Yan, okay? Yan, mga juice. Then natin yung juice. And of course, coffee. Now we're gonna have some coffee.
In case of emergency,
Time check.
ask the cabin crew to receive you.
It's 1:20.
Sa mga panauhing nakaupo sa exit rows, basahin po
Nasa
lamang
na kami ng aeroplano. Ito ang aking
kung sa
seat.
inyong palagay ay
Are you
hindi
excited?
magagampanan ang mga panuntunan
Excited
ng
ka na?
exit row, ipagbigay alam sa inyong cabin crew sa mga sandaling ito.
Hello? Hi. Hi. Arigato. Yan. Parang ganda na lighting. Ganda oh. Pulbos lang yan. Grabe. Yan. So, see you in a while. Osaka. Ano yun yung mga tao sa loob ng aeroplano. Time check. It's 2:03, so we're about to take off. Check. It's 5:16 Philippine time. So basically it's 6:16 in the evening. Japan. So we're about to land. Yan. Ano na kami. So see you tomorrow.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Kansai International Airport. Local time now is 30 minutes past the hour of 6 in the evening, and there's an hour time difference between the Philippines and Japan. Ground temperature is at 9 degrees Celsius.
So just landed. Just landed. Just landed here in Osaka. So let's get the ball rolling. Yay! Ay naku mga kabudgetarian. Diyos ko, napaka nung di bumaba na kami, punta na kami sa immigration, di ba may QR code na dapat gawin sa Visit Japan website. So gumawa kami noon, I think 3 days ago, ginawa na namin siya. Apparently, they changed it 2 days ago, so we need to do it again. We need to redo. Hindi ako makakonect ng wifi doon sa mismo immigration. So, binigyan na lang kami ng card. So, we need to fill out daw yung manually. Pero, nung nandun naman kami sa place, nung nagsusulat na kami doon sa card, okay naman yung wifi. So, nagawa pa rin namin yung via internet. Kasi alam niyo naman si Mami Neri nyo, di ba nakakalimot ako yung mga password. Yung mga, yung mga links na mga pinagkagawa ko. So, yun. Anyway, nakalabas na kami doon sa immigration. So, nag-restroom lang yung anak ko and ako, mag-restroom rin lang ako. Yung kasama namin, nauna na sila para mahabol namin yung packet wifi. Kasi hanggang 8 o'clock lang daw o 7:30. So, time check, it's almost 8 o'clock here in Japan. So, yun, para at least makuha na niya muna yung packet wifi para meron na kami magamit. Ngayon, after namin mag-restroom, dada kami dun sa customs declaration. May question lang kami kasi dahil di ba we're flying from Osaka to Tokyo via domestic in Jetstar. So, hindi ko alam kung paano yun. Dapat transfers lang, di ba? So, hindi ko alam kung paano yung procedure dito. Probably we can ask yung mga friendly Japanese people naman dito sa airport to help us out and then lead us to what we need to do. Kasi ano lang kami, hindi naman kami kailangan lumabas ng airport to since we're flying the same. I just think it's a different terminal dito sa domestic, hindi dito sa terminal na to. So, but then, let's see. So, yun lang. Dami ng chika ni Mami Neri nyo. So, yan. First day, kakalapag lang dito sa Osaka, Japan. Oh, andito na kami sa Osaka. Ito yung Lawson. May Lawson na kami nakita. Tapos, yan, mag-aantay na kami for our domestic trip. First meal of the day here at Sukiya here in Kansai Airport here in Osaka. So, since mamaya pa yung, bukas pa yung aming flight going to Tokyo, so we need to fill our stomach with food at dito kami matutulog somewhere there kasi wala kami makita lounge. So, let's see. Ayan. Time check, it's 10:06 a.m. Andito pa kami sa gate domestic, so we need to add additional kilos. We need to pay pala for the additional kilos sa check-in baggage, sa hand carry, sa carry-on baggage namin. So yun, inis full ang aking travel body. Good morning mga kabudgetarian. Nagilamos na ako. Naglagay lang ako ng moisturizer sa mukha. So walang makeup si Mami Neri nyo. Nandito na ako sa boarding gate. Domestic going to Narita via Jetstar. So yan. Ayun ang domestic airport. Terminal 1. Dito din sa Kansai. So, antay lang namin. Boarding namin is 6:45. Time check, it's 6:15. At binili, bakit cold? Binili ako ng anak ko ng latte. Sarap. Tikman natin. Masarap. Georgia coffee. The latte.
のしおりでご確認ください。皆様、お座席の上に通風口がございます。つまみを回すと風量や傾きの調整ができます。どうぞご利用ください。
San? Nasa bus kami, papunta kami Terminal 2 from Terminal 1 kasi doon kami sasakay ng Kisei Skyliner going to our hotel dito sa papuntang Tokyo. We are here in Narita Airport. Grabe! Makikita niyo yun? It's freezing cold. Currently, the temperature here in Narita is 2. Parang tanga lang, no? Pero, that's basically it. Ayan. Papunta kami Terminal 2. Kasi yung bus hanggang Terminal 1 lang. Ngayon, ang dami mga kabataan. Pero kami, andito pa rin. Hanapin namin yung Kisei Skyliner. Doon kami sasakay. See? Yan, inside Terminal 2. Ayan, nandito ngayon ang aking friend. Nandun siya sa Skyliner Kisei information. Kasi bumili na pala siya ng ticket para sa sasakyan namin going to our hotel. Ayan, ayan ang Terminal 2. Ito yung mga train stations na pupunta. Yung makikita yung dami-dami. Teka. Ayan o, dami-dami GR Narita Airport, Free Station. Yan, doon merong Kisei Line, Narita Airport Terminal. Ayun, yung Skyliner. Ayan, Information Center. May Family Mart doon, nakita ko na. At iyan, may round trip ticket, JR Pass. Yan. Ito na yung struggle namin. Ay, yung pababa. Paano kami bababa? Ang dami namin bit-bit. Grabe. Pula-pula na mukha ko. Malamig. Currently, it's 2 degrees. Mas cooking pa rin. So, ito yung street namin. Ayun yung aming hotel. Called Sakura Hotel. Ito may katabi lang coin laundry. Pwede kami maglaba. Kaliwa daw may ramen. In Tokyo. Ito ba yun? Ramen ba yan? Bango. Shit, ang sarap. Bango. Ang bango. Ang sarap. Sabi ng sikmura ako, krok. Gusto ko yung. Krok. Ay, kalapati oh. First meal for the day. We're trying out yung authentic ramen. Dito, it's called Nyonya Hidamari Ramen. Japanese salt ramen daw. So, sige. Ayan, click mo namin to.
Kami lang dalawa si Ate yung ay hindi itsura nila. Para masarap.
Diba?
Ay, yes.
Napayes na agad.
Ano? Masarap pag may ganit. Suga mahal. Ida mami? Okay, thank you. Hindi na kayo naghahanap ng iba mami. Ano yung stay? Baka stay mo. Ano may stay ba? Hawakan ko kung stay. May stay. Bagay mo. Yung tubig naman nasa loob. Yes. Ayan.
Stop. Sarap. Masarap. Masarap, masarap. Yan yung aming neighborhood. Madaming kainan, maraming cafe, maraming pusa. Ayan o, puro pusa. Love nila ang cats.